Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and today's video is going to be about OBS Studio, where I am going to show you how you can uncorrupt your corrupted OBS recordings and also convert your OBS recording from MKV file format to MP4 file format. Let's see. Right here I have a recording. If you go into the properties, you can see it is in MKV format and it is actually corrupted. I can't run it. It gives me an error, and this is the recording that is just happening right now. Okay, so to fix this, you do not need additional software. Simply select File and Remix Recordings in OBS Studio. Select that MKV file, and it will output the file in from MKV to MP4, which means you get a converted file as well as fixed file. So you cannot change much here. It is only going to change from MKV to MP4, and just like that, it just fixed it without having to do any problems. So you can clear it. After that, let's see if the recording is working or not. So this is the previous recording that happened, and this is the new one. Let me see. Nah, yeah, this is the MKV file, and this is the MP4 file, which means the recording happened without any problems, and the conversion happened without any problems. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care.